Hey, you work 150. What's your BBM?
Just getting car, man.
Alright.
Press button before you get boom shakalaka. Wrong button, man. Button down here.
Oh.
Oh, yes, very nice. So where do you want to go, man?
McDonald's, please.
Okay, man. Let's sit back and just drive. Right, so guys, we installed this very bad sketch. This is Nathan, by the way. Nathan, say hi. We're gonna have a trip to McDonald's. Late night PUV drive to McDonald's. Do I know where it is? And of course I don't. But yeah, let's go. Oh god. Let's hopefully we don't encounter the same guy we did last time.
The one that pulls out without even looking both ways.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the motor.
It's worth pointing out, you don't have very good brakes, do you?
Oh crap, no man. Me have no brakes, yes. Oh yeah, sorry for the dodgy accent as well. I tried to be stereotypical.
Russian.
Tried to be Russian, but...
Not Indian.
Yeah.
But let's just clarify, it wasn't meant to be Indian.
Mr. Motor Rally cancelled 2021. Rest in peace.
Oh yeah, you're going to be cancelled now on Twitter. That's it.
Oh, I'm not even used to it, so I'm fine. DMO, mate. Oh! You've got them shift on point now. I had to do a proper 0 to 60. Just in case some Dusty wants to overtake me.
Nah, you're
Very nice.
I mean, let's recall the last time we drove down this road. We got chased.
Yeah, we did. Some guy decided to pull out on me and Nathan, and so I braked, but he pulled out and then brake checked.
And like we said earlier, you don't have brakes.
I don't have brakes, so I mean that's the only good time. Not having brakes is a lifesaver, because what happened is I had to pull into the middle of the road, which is the turning for that junction, and then I passed the guy who's completely stopped, and I go back up to normal speed, and the guy just rapidly chased us, and that roundabout there, I went round it 3 times, and he was still following until the 3rd one.
Yeah, that was interesting.
It's Mercedes as well.
Oh yeah, because he was going to a car meet, wasn't he?
We don't actually know if he was going to a car meet, because we saw him turn in.
We don't actually know whether that was him as well.
Yeah, we saw a turn in, and then he was never to be seen ever again.
Yeah, exactly. That car wasn't one of the ones that...
Yeah, which is quite weird. He turns into McDonald's basically, because we were going up there for the first time, and then disappeared. Either transformed into some BMW, but basically that's it. I hate lights.
I know how you feel.
Right. Don't hit me, train. Don't hit me, train. Don't hit me, train. And send it. So we're gonna get a McDonald's then, Mr. Nathan.
Oh.
Wag 150. What's your PD?
I'm pretty sure if I said that at the drive-through, whoever was on the drive-through would
kill you.
Well, yeah, because they all know me there. So
They'll come up and just properly just make you into a McDonald's burger.
No, they'll just chuck in McDonald's uniform on me and tell me to get in there.
Imagine.
Honestly, I'll tell you what happened when I went for my interview at McDonald's.
Go on,
I had my interview. they do like a they put you on the drive-through for like 10-15 minutes.
Unpaid, obviously.
Yeah.
Holy crap, his high beams.
Just to see how you perform and everything. And I did it. And I was there in like a suit. So I was there standing in a suit and everything, and I was handing food out to customers. And then 15 minutes after my interview had finished, I got the email saying I got the job.
Well, that's good. Right, we go. Ain't nobody police car catching me today. Holy crap.
More high beam, and it's foggy.
Yeah, look, why is it so scary, man?
Yeah, it's like a f***ing horror. There's like some f***ing creature's gonna jump out of the bush.
Do not say that. Do not say that.
Oh, jeez.
Have you heard of SCP?
Yeah, of course I have.
You know that smoky one?
No.
The one in the cop car, and that plays at your radio. You better run or something, and then it just violently kills you.
I don't think I've heard of that one.
Oh, that's the only SCP I actually found out, and oh god, I was so scared after that.
I don't actually know what I want yet.
Lovely. Well, we're here. Imagine if it's just closed.
Oh my, lovely. Oh, I don't envy anyone there at my room. They're busy.
I'll put this one in. I don't want anything. Skitty pop, boom! Big shot!
Don't laugh if they
Hey, what? Go on. I cannot hear.
Hi, can I help?
Oh, there we go.
Hi there. Could I get a large Big Mac meal, please?
And what drink?
Coke, no ice, please. Could I, in the Big Mac, could I get no lettuce or pickles, please?
Yeah.
And could I get a Aero McFlurry, please? The mint
And
one.
what, sorry?
A mint McFlurry, please.
Yeah.
That's everything, thanks.
All correct on the screen.
Yep.
Thank you.
Oh,
Easy peasy.
lemon very squeezy. Man's looking at me like I've got a Civic and I'm recording in it. Wow! Hey, what one blood?
Hey, well, go on, you'll square up.
Want to square up in your blue BMW? I mean, you'll smoke me. I mean, they'll smoke me. But that's it, yeah.
Yeah, they probably will.
Hey, anything can smoke this car. That bloody taxi driver can just smoke this car.
Your revs could probably smoke them.
Oh yeah, I can rev like mad on this car, but
Apart from that.
apart from that, that's the only thing I've got.
Oh.
They're gonna look at me like so weird, like, why has he got a camera in his face? Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know, why have you got a camera on my face?
I'm recording.
I'm recording, it's the content! If I don't get 2 views in this video, I'll be mad.
Just so I can show your manager.
This is my witness protection unit.
It's my body cam. I'm an undercover police officer.
I'm
It's a bit obvious.
It's a bit obvious. My head cam. Got the stars. What an undercover car this would be. A Honda Civic kitted out. That's no, it's new. Honda Civic kitted out. Look, we've got bloody Orion there. That's Orion's belt.
It is a fucking sick.
Hey, what one big man thing? What you? How do they know which car is which?
There's a camera.
So it sees some dusty bloody Honda Civic and it's like, okay, this. Okay, man, I take. There you go. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Holy crap! Here you go, man. Thank you very much. like this, and I get out.
Yeah, it's not fun.
Do not curb will, man. Jesus Christ.
Oh, I'll tell you what, right? We had once
A fat monster truck.
on shift, right? Someone was parked up waiting for their order, right?
Yeah.
Through the drive-through, and he got his order. So then he reverses out, but he reverses too hard, and he smashes the fence.
Wow.
He literally knocks down the fence at the front of the store.
What a guy.
And we were all just sort of stood there like, you good there?
Oh, he's gone away as well. It's my turn to go. My turn to shine.
Now remember, there is a curve in the road.
Oh! Imagine.
I mean, you forgot that last time.
Yeah, I did. Right, where is it? It's there. Alright, okay. See how bad these lights are? They're like candles.
There's an even tighter bend.
Holy crap, there is! Oh no! Right, okay, we're taking to the right now.
So don't keep going straight.
Imagine, just like going to a bush. Right, that car went to the right.
Quite tight, right?
Yeah, we'll see them. Braking like a hooligan. Caution, lorries slow.
Yeah,
Alright.
this is a notorious turn for crashes.
Oh, better get out here fast then, man, yes. Oh my god, look at the fog.
It gets ridiculous around this area.
I wonder why. Is it because it's old? There's like fog that gravitate to old stuff.
It just there to make it more spooky.
It does, yeah, it does. Fog just navigates to old stuff. Alright, I'll see you guys in another one. What?
Roll credits.
Roll credits, what? Pow.